Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply HKCU Registry key to all users. By default, when you install an application, all the current user registry keys will be applied only to the user that installs the application. Or, if the application is installed in system context, no user keys will be applied by the time of the installation. In this demo, we have this key that we want to apply to all current user hives when the application gets installed, even if it's installed by the user in a user context or via deployment tools like Intune or SCCM in system context. Now, let's see how we can do it in Advanced Installer. From the left pane, navigate to Custom Behavior and Custom Actions. Here, search for HKCU. Add this predefined custom action with sequence. Next, add the registry key that you want to be applied to all users. As an execution stage condition, I put it to run at install only. Now let's build our installer and install it. To demonstrate this, we install the application using PS tools in a system context. Here we navigate to the path where the application was built and install the MSI via command line. Now let's open the registry editor and see if the current user key has been applied. There it is. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel and Advanced Installer blog.